Welcome, Airmen and Guardian Riders. In 2023, we are focused on you, the individual rider. Make sure you are 100% trained, prepared, and equipped with the required skills and mindset to ride safely.
Every effort made to defend the human weapon system ensures we are ready to win tomorrow's fight. Each motorcycle mishap impacts the mission, our teammates, and families. Your commitment can help us reduce the loss of our most precious resource, our people.
This year, I want all riders to make a personal commitment to be ready to ride every time.
The Chief of Safety is committed. Are you?